just need to stay to the right. It's a lot easier going down than it is coming up, I'll just say that. Still got a lot of water runoff over here. You'll see it as I come up on it here in a few minutes. Just go slow. I think you'll totally be fine. It'll be a little tight down here. Could get a little crazy right here. Just trying to, this is kind of deep. This is going to be the hardest part for you. This is going to be a little crazy. It's deep. All that water is running off down here and down the rest of the driveway. This right here is going to be the hardest part. You're going to have to straddle your wheel off to the left where this water's coming off and go up on the left-hand side to straddle that. Otherwise, you're going to get your butt stuck. You need to be able to straddle this whole thing right here of water. This will be the hardest part for you because it's kind of deep. My tires are spinning and I'm on this thing. This right here is also going to be really rough. You're going to have to stay to the far right, and I don't know what's in this ditch over here is the problem. This is deep. Really deep, and I'd be worried you're going to get your truck stuck in it. Because there's still a ton of water running down through here. All the way until you get right here, and then he has diverted the runoff with some concrete, and that takes it on down to the creek, and then it's kind of smooth sailing, but it's a little rough till you get to this point. Like what it was up above.